Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you how I created this look using the Huda beauty palette in Desert Dusk. So I've created this eye look today and I will be showing you how I did that. I just went in completely blind and just fiddled around with some of the colors, but I am doing a special giveaway of one of these palettes for one of my subscribers. So as you may or may not know, YouTube have changed the rules again after all of this controversy that's happening, and they're taking away partnerships from people who have under 1,000 subscribers and under 4,000 views within the last 12 months. Fortunately, I have the views, but I don't have the subscribers. So I'm hoping to gain 1,000 subscribers before February 20th so that I can retain my partnership. And it's not just about monetizing videos and gaining, income from my videos. I actually don't earn a lot of money from my videos anyway, but it is about retaining the features I use as well. So custom thumbnails, end screens, etc. It's very important to me and it makes my channel look good, and I don't want to lose all of that. Apparently I won't lose it straight away, but yeah, I don't want to lose anything. All you have to do to win the palette is to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Simone. Really easy, just click below, hit subscribe if you're watching this right now, and leave a comment saying why you would like to win the Desert Dusk palette. This is what the Huda beauty palette looks like. I wanted to get in nice and close for you guys so you can see what you will be winning. As you can see, there's some really versatile shades in here. Some of them are so stunning. I'm obsessed with this palette. I'm absolutely obsessed. I won't be giving it away until I reach the 1,000 mark, but I'm so close, so I'm sure you will be winning your palette very soon. And the winner will just be chosen completely at random using one of those random generator things. And yeah, is this a shameless ploy to buy my subscribers? I mean, the jury is out a little bit there, but I really love my YouTube channel, and really it's just given me the kick that I need to do more uploads regularly and really take it a little bit more seriously, because I do love it and I love my YouTube channel and I love the people that are subscribed to me. And I do want to thank all of my friends and family who have subscribed as well, supporting me and trying to retain my YouTube partnership. So that's all we need to do, and without further ado, I will be going into how I created this look. This is a very creeptastic angle. But we're going to start off using the Urban Decay Primer Potion, and I'm going to pop that all over my eyelids. And I'm just going to get my foundation brush and just go over the top of that. Perfection. Okay, so to start off this look, I'm just going to use this creamy colour just all over my eyelids, just to create a little bit of a base. Okay, so the next colour that I'm going to use is Eden, which is this little pastel-y, like peachy colour here. And I'm just going to apply this all over my eyelid. And then I'm going to take the colour Amber, which is that darker orange. I'm feeling like orangey today, but we'll see where this look takes us. So I'm going to take Amber and I'm just going to put that right into my crease. Now, I have hooded eyes, so as you can see, when I look up at you like this, my eyelid disappears. So all that colour I just put on, you can barely see. So if I were to put it into the crease of my eye, it would disappear, because as soon as I lower my eyebrows and look at you, it's gone. So I'm going to create a fake crease just on this part of my eye. So I just put a dot there just for reference, and I'm just going to create a fake crease by doing a little half moon. And I'm literally just sweeping back and forward, almost like a windscreen washer or something. I'm just gathering all that colour there. So as you can see, it's quite high up on my eyelid. And that's how you sort of open up your eyes when you've got hooded eyes. And I'm going to go a little crazy, and I'm just going to bring it in under my eyebrow here, because I want like a little bit of a crazy look today. I promise you this will make sense in a minute. Cute. And then I'm just going to go a little bit here on the outer corner. And yes, I'm taking it quite far in because I'm going for a bit of a sort of semi-unwearable look today because I'm just sort of going like catwalk kind of look, I guess. I just feel like doing something a little bit crazy. Now I'm going to take my same brush that I've been using with Amber, and I'm going to grab this dark one here, like the chocolatey one. I think it's called like Oud. It's O-U-D. So I'm just going to get a little bit of that on my brush, and I'm going to deepen up the outer corners. I'm just packing this on the outside. Yeah, I'm getting a bit of fallout, so I'm just swiping it away. Just packing that right on that outer corner. And you want to go up into my fake crease that I've created. So I'm packing most of the dark stuff on the outside and then bringing it in a little bit to the inside, just when there's less stuff left on my brush. Now I'm going to take that brown shade and I'm going to put it under my eye, because I'm going to create a bit of a smoky effect. I'm really just going about 3/4 in. Very smoky. So now I'm just going to be blending up the top, just to blend that all in now, just with a clean brush. Much more blended. Now, I think I'm gonna do like a sort of semi like cut crease situation. I don't know, I just feel like doing one. So I'm just gonna get a flat brush and I'm just gonna grab some concealer. Now the concealer I'm using is Bobbi Brown. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit on my flat brush and I'm gonna start to create a crease. As you can see, this is a little tricky on a hooded eye because I'm working with a little loose eyelid skin. But it's possible. You just gotta really learn how to work your eyeballs. So what I like to do is I just like to look a little bit like this and just see how high I can take it. So the shade I'm going to be doing on the cut crease bit is called Angelic, which is this little pretty little peach shade here. So I'm just packing that over the top of the concealer. And then I'm just going to go back to the other brush I was using for the darker outer corner, and I'm just going to pat over the top of this and really blend these two guys together. Now I'm going to take another little transition shade. I'm going to use Retrograde, which is this sparkly one over here. I just want to like sort of chuck it in the middle sort of. Just to create like some dimension. It's a very sparkly shade. And then I'm just going to grab a smaller little brush and I'm just gonna pop some shimmer underneath. So I'm just gonna grab Angelic again and just pop that here. Phoebe, you're snoring. Okay, and then the final thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back to Desert Sand. I'm just going to pop that up the top here. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the Rimmel Exaggerate eyeliner and I'm just going to line my eyes. I'm not going to do crazy amount of eyeliner because I have hooded eyes and we don't want the line to be too thick, otherwise it just takes away from the eyeshadow. So I'm just going to do a thin line. As you can see, I've done a very small wing. eyes. I'm happy with that. And we'll tight line the eyes as well. Tight lining, if you have hooded eyes, is like your best friend. So you can create an even thicker black line by lining the inner rims of your eyes. So we'll do that in a second. We're going to grab my super skinny marker from NYX Cosmetics. And I'm going to tight line underneath here. So you can really see a difference when I do that compared to the other eye. So I'm going to do my eyebrows now. Okay, as you can see, I've done quite a strong brow, so I'm just going to brush that out a little. And I'm going to put some brow gel on. Okay, so I'm just going to use the Maybelline Brow Drama. I'm just going to brush my brow hairs, just to make them look like hairs again, really. Because when you put powder in, they kind of like diffuse the hair, and this just sort of separates them again. I like sort of sticking my brush upwards as well so that my hairs go upwards. Makes them look a little thicker. Okay, that is a strong brown. I like that a lot. So at the moment I have none of my favorite lashes, so I'm just going to put on mascara today. My favorite lashes I've just sort of run out of and they got really gross. My favorite lashes are Adele Wispies. So we're just going to put on the Maybelline Full and Soft Mascara first. Okay, and then I'm going to go over the top of that with Maybelline Illegal Length, just to give myself a little bit of extra length. And when I apply mascara, I like to wiggle it up. I find that gives the best separation. Okay, so mascara is done. Now I'm just going to do the rest of my face. I'm just going to bronze up my face, just using the Bourjois Chocolate Bronzer. This is so old, but I have not run out of it yet, and I use it every day. And it still smells lovely. I'm going to take a Becca Champagne Pop Highlight, which looks like that. I'm just going to put that across my cheekbones, just to give that glow. And then I'm going to pop on a lipstick. Okay, so I just finished putting on my lipstick. I chose Lust from BH Cosmetics Liquid Lipsticks. So as you can see, I went for a very vampy, like sexy sort of look. Hopefully I get nothing in my teeth. So I'm just going to take this off my head because it's hurting. Oh, goodness. That's better. So this is the finished look that I created today using the Huda Beauty palette. I think it's an amazing palette. The colors went on really, really easily. It's the first time I've used it, and this is of course my palette. I will be giving away a fresh one to my subscribers, not a used one. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to creating more looks for you using this palette. So I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this today, and thank you so much for subscribing and supporting my channel. I hope you guys have a lovely day.